Today we will discuss about preservation of food and about rest posture and exercise. Do you know why preserving food is necessary? Preserving food is necessary because if food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. Such food items are bad for our health and can cause disease. We can preserve food in number of ways. Now I will tell you different ways to preserve food. First one is drying. Drying is the process of removing the water content of the food. For example, drying grapes to get raisins. Second one is pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil is called pickling. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. Have you ever noticed your mother or grandmother preparing pickle? While preparing pickle, they mix salt, oil and other fresh vegetables. That process is called pickling. Third one is refrigerating. Refrigerating means keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short period of time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge. Fourth one is deep freezing. Deep freezing is a process of keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. And the last one is canning and bottling. Canning and bottling is a process of storing food in cans and bottles. For example, bottling of sauces and jams. Now we will discuss about rest, posture and exercise. Along with food, there is something very important for our body. That is proper rest, correct posture when we are standing, walking, sitting and exercising. But before we switch over to today's session, I want to tell you, since lot of teaching and learning is taking place through technology, and nowadays we cannot do away with computers or mobiles. So, in today's online class, I will discuss about correct postures that you should follow when you are working on computer or when you are watching a mobile. First, we will talk about rest and its importance. Then we will take up the topic posture, the meaning of posture and different posture when we are standing, walking and sitting. Let us first take up the topic rest. Rest is very important for our body. We need 6 to 8 hours of rest in the form of sleep. Means we should sleep at least for 6 to 8 hours every day. Lack of sleep may make us feel tired and may make us fall sick. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Postures. What is postures and why is it important? Posture is the position in which we keep our body. Posture is the position of our body. If we follow correct posture, then our bones and muscle will stay healthy. We will not get tired quickly. Say for example, you are watching this video right now. And so if you are watching it on the mobile or on the laptop and not sitting in correct posture, then you may feel tired quickly. But if you have to continue enjoying this video, then you have to sit in correct posture. By doing so, you will not get backache or muscle pain. We also look good when we follow correct posture. Correct posture adds on to our personality also. Now I will discuss about correct postures which you should follow to keep your bones and muscles healthy. Posture number 1. You should not lean backward, forward or to the side while standing. Look at the last picture. The boy is standing upright. An upright posture is the correct posture to stand. Posture number 2. Do not lean forward or backward while walking. Look at the first picture. This is the correct way of walking. Posture number 3. While sitting on the chair, your thighs should rest flat against the bottom of the chair. Feet should be resting on the floor and the back should be kept straight upright. This is the correct way to sit on the chair. Now I will share with you few postures which you should follow while working on desktop or mobile. This picture shows how you should sit while working on computer. And this picture is the correct posture while watching a mobile. Now we will discuss about exercise. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise practiced in India, also helps in keeping our body fit. Do you know when International Yoga Day is celebrated?